Hey guys and girls, welcome to another video. What I want to talk to you today about is this thing called the Optimum, which is the brand of the manufacturer, as in Optimum No Rinse. This is what's called their big red sponge. My question for you today, because I'm of the opinion that one of these chenille wash mitts are far safer and gentler in washing your car than this. Here's my logic and critical thinking. This essentially is a flat surface. Yes, it's spongy material, but it's flat. Yes, it has grooves cut into it, but it's still flat. So the second you place it on your car in the process of washing your car, where is that dirt going to go? Is it really going to go in those recesses? Or are you essentially going to taking a flat foam material, set it on top of the dirt, and grind that dirt into your car paint? This, on the other hand, has all these little fingers made of microfiber fibers, which the microfiber is incredibly soft. These fingers are floating around, so when you put it on your car paint, I feel like that the dirt has a more natural area in which to go into rather than forcing it across your paint with a basically flat surface. Okay, that's my critical logical brain working. I want to know from you guys what you guys think. Leave the comments below. I get the winning attributes of this as per the manufacturer, which is it has all these crisp cut seams cut into it in which to trap dirt. I get it. It's also very durable. It's amazingly durable. You can use it over and over again, but for 20 bucks compared to, like, let's say $9 for one of these, I just think this represents a winning balance as far as safety goes. Now, I'm not trying to disparage Optimum. I'm just saying is that I can't even believe this made it out of the boardroom personally, and I actually know some professional detailers that use this. I know why they use it, because it's very durable and they're not really worried about scratching the paint. They're more worried about what's more convenient for them rather than the health and wealth of the customer's car. But that's just me. So once again, leave the comments below, give it a thumbs up, let me know your feedback, which I'm sure you guys will. With that said, we'll see you on the next video.